we started. Facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies, and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video here in Oahu. Today we are at the Lili'uokalani Gardens. I probably butchered that name. But we just arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around. This place is gorgeous. Like the mountain ranges, like, oh wow. I'll show you what's in this area. So, all right, so once you park at the visitor parking lot, there are some restrooms over here to the left side. Then if you go to the right, it says there's a lake. So we'll see what that looks like. Does it smell like pandan?
Smells not artificial.
This is making me hungry. Buko pandan, anybody? This is what the leaves look like, in case you've never seen it before.
I've only seen it in a bottle. This is where it came from.
Yes, I've only seen it infused in food.
Just kidding. Do not take any plants.
Oh, it's so pretty here. I mean, I love how they have these like informational plaques on the type of plants. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So beautiful, guys. We just started walking 30 seconds and we're like, wow, this place is so cool. It's very nice and peaceful, minus the background noise of them cutting the grass.
What is this random
maintenance? So what is that?
Is that like rambutan or lychee or what is it?
It almost looks,
Lipstick plant.
Lipstick plant. Interesting.
It's a color.
Oh, it's a lipstick plant. Oh yeah, this is what they use to make anato or achiote, to bring color to some dishes. That's what it looks like. So pretty. Allspice. Strychnia. Hiking through the jungle. It's humid, very humid, but it's gorgeous here. Guys, we decided to get back in the car because it was pretty hot and humid, so we drove down further and we ended up at this parking lot right here. It's kind of like the end of the road here, but Oh my gosh, look at the views, so pretty. You feel closer to the mountains here. So anyways, this is garden number 1. We're gonna go ahead and get some lunch in Kailua, and then after that we'll stop by another garden called Lili'uokalani, something like that. Butchering these names. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Alright, so here we are. I got the ahi tuna sandwich with some salad. Donna got the turkey pesto, some green smoothie, much needed. And the beautiful view of Kailua Beach. I'm so glad we found shade. It's really sunny today. But like, look how beautiful the water is. You ready to chibug? Chibug time, which means eating time. I ordered the seared ahi tuna with avocado. Looks really nice and healthy. Let's see what it tastes like. Ah! Mmm. Yummy, yummy. How's your sandwich? Good. We got this at Nalu Health something? Health Bar and Cafe in Kailua. So, good stuff. Hi guys, so we are done at the beach. We're gonna do a hike. This is called the Friendship Garden, and we just found it on all trails. So we'll see what it looks like. If you guys decide to come here, you have to make sure that your car is not on the paved road. Otherwise, it might get towed. So just FYI. A bit steep in the beginning, but eventually flattens out after the first, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. It's cool. There's like trees here that have plaques on what they're called, so that's pretty cool. Hey, we made it to the top. Look at that. This is Kaneohe Bay. I think that's where the Air Force Base is. Beautiful mountains right here. Love it. It's a short hike, about 15 minutes, steady incline. And yeah, you just have to make sure when you park, not to park on the pavement, on the road, otherwise your car might get towed. But other than that, nice quick hike. I'm pretty sure sunrise would be beautiful from here because we're facing the east. This place is called Friendship Garden. Just look it up on All Trails map. Alright, so we're heading back to the car. We have one more stop on today's adventure, which is called Lili'uokalani Botanical Gardens, and it's in Honolulu. So it'll take us about 20 minutes to get back on that side. So we'll see you there. So the trail system actually is quite complex. This is called the Friendship Garden Trail System in Kokokahi, Kaneohe. So yeah, we didn't go that far out. I think we kind of went to the bay lookout right there. And that was good enough for us. Wow, this is nice. I can't even see the rays. Alright, we arrived here at Lili'uokalani Botanical Gardens. It's actually right in the middle of Honolulu. It's like an urban garden, but yeah, a lot of lush greenery. There's like a little stream down there. We'll just go ahead and take a walk through it. So that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. And hopefully you enjoyed the video today of the 3 places that we went to. And I will go ahead and keep you guys updated on the rest of the adventures I do in Oahu. So just go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!